Module 4 in our free LAND4 for Archicad online course is now available. We will walk through a complete design workflow, starting with land survey data and existing terrain, stripping and relocating the topsoil by designing the embankments with precision, integrating a building foundation, and designing the new terrain using gradient tools, following the project requirements. With LAND4 for Archicad, you can work and design parametrically, allowing your workflows to remain dynamically aligned with the existing terrain. We will finish with a cut and fill analysis to evaluate the soil balance. Precision lines, smart slopes, instant and dynamic terrain control. This was a short preview of Module 4 in the LAND4 for Archicad free online course. You can find the full module and all project material through the link below. For more LAND4 for Archicad course modules, tutorials and news, visit our YouTube channel or land4cad.com.